Hello there, it's Scott from Louise and Scott Here's Travel. So we're in the Maldives, in the island of Vilamendoo, which got here this evening with a seaplane. Took about 25 minutes from Mali, and this will be my room for one night and then returning back to the UK. So quite a short distance from the room to the reef, and apparently it's one of the best reefs, so I've already got my snorkeling equipment, and I'll be in there at about 6 AM and I definitely won't be late. So let's go inside, have a look, and you can see what the room looks like. So I need to get this room open, which is good. So, nice size bed. I have to say that these beds in the Maldives have been very comfortable. I do like that in most resorts they've got a plug there, which for most people is essential with the mobile phones. Great to see a reef care guide, give everyone a good idea of how to protect the reef and make sure that we leave it in the condition that we find it. So we've got fridges in there, various drinks, water, I fill that up every day, TV, and second bed for children. So if we venture into the bathroom, stick the light on. Hopefully we can get a little bit more light. Yeah, we can. So here we have two sinks, central mirror. Most places in the Maldives, the bathrooms are outside, so you can see the palm tree sitting behind this villa. Got a cascade shower and toilet. Back out into the main room. So thanks for watching this, hope it's been useful, and make sure that you give Louise and Scott a like on Facebook, as well as subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thanks.